Struggling with what to post? I created the 30 social post ideas for busy entrepreneurs Notion template to save you hours of brainstorming. Inside, you'll get ready-to-use prompts, example hooks, and a platform guide so you can boost engagement, attract leads, and post with confidence all in one place. Getting started is super simple. Just follow these 3 steps. Step 1. Browse ideas. Scroll through the database and explore different post prompts. Each idea comes with a clear title, example hooks, and content types to spark inspiration. Step 2. Click Open to see the full guide. Want to dive deeper? Just open an idea card and you'll find detailed info like the post prompt, content type, platform suggestions, funnel stage, hashtags, and even the estimated effort it takes. Step 3. Start creating. Once you've picked your post idea, simply copy the prompt or adapt the example hook and start drafting your post directly for your chosen platform. Let's try one together. Say we want to create a post using the idea, share your origin story. Here's the post prompt. Tell the story of how you started your business. The content type is behind the scenes, and the example hook is 3 years ago, I started my shop with nothing but an idea and a laptop. From here, you can see which platforms it works best on, where it fits in your funnel, and even suggested hashtags to make your post discoverable. With all this ready for you, creating content becomes a matter of minutes, not hours. And here's the best part. You can view this database in different ways depending on what you need. Want to focus only on Instagram posts? Switch to the by platform type view. Need something quick to publish? Check out the level of effort view to find low-effort, high-impact ideas. To make things even easier, I've also included a platform guide. Think of it as your social media cheat sheet. Each platform has quick tips on different static formats to use, Beal content length, how often to post, best times to post, and extra tips to help boost engagement. For example, Instagram works best with Reels and carousels, LinkedIn prefers short articles and text posts, TikTok thrives on trending short videos, and Facebook loves conversations sparked by questions. This way, you don't just get post ideas, you also know exactly how to optimize them for each platform. So there you have it, the 30 social post ideas for busy entrepreneurs Notion template. With this tool, you'll never run out of content ideas, you'll save precious time, and you'll always have a clear roadmap for creating posts that connect with your audience. Go ahead, start browsing your ideas today, and let this template do the heavy lifting for you.